Okay, this is a very quick repair of a bed slat that came off an IKEA bed, about 3 inches wide, and so far out of about 23 have broken. So people are going to use it tonight, so I need to get it done quickly. So what I'm going to use a Mitre bonding kit. As you can see, it's quite good. Can't get the lid off. Right, there we go. So this is a 2-part system. To be honest, that should come off, but I don't know what I can do about that. Right, well, I'm going to need a bit anyway. What I'll then do is rub it in as best as I can. Should really use a brush. Hopefully it will spread around once it gets pushed in there. It would have been better if the nozzle was working properly. That way I could have got a much better go on that. I'm tempted to put them together, but the trouble is the Mitre, and then that will sort of spread it around a bit, but the Mitre bond actually works with 2 parts. So that's basically, I think this is what you'd call super glue. I don't know if it is slightly different. Now on the other side, that bit, you have to spray it. I'll keep it away from the other one. And then, in theory, you push them together. I've bashed them a bit. Now the activator should be working already. I'm not going to test this. I need to keep it flat as well. Again, we can always give it a bit more activator. Now, if I leave that for a while, it should have worked. I say the other alternative is wood glue, and that would take a while, and I don't have a lot of time to get this sorted. So basically, I say it's Mitre bonding kit. I got it off eBay. Bonds in just 10 seconds. Instant bonding for UPVC, wood, rubber, MDF, and most plastics. Okay, I'm not going to try it yet, but over the bed anyway, I'm going to put a sheet of hardboard or something just to spread the weight around, because all it takes is 1 foot when he's getting out of bed, and that's enough weight to turn it. If I put something on top of it, hardboard or plywood, a thin sheet of plywood, that will hopefully make it last a lot longer. Okay, just a short video. Please like, subscribe, and all that. See you in the next video. Okay, this is just another repair I've got to do. I'm not too sure if it's actually waterproof, because this is actually a garden table. I have put some in before. I'm just going to put some more in there. Get it on both sides if I can. Then basically I'll push that together. Now that should bond quite quickly. Really need to get in further. Well, since I can't get that there, I'll have to hold it for a sec. It says it bonds in 10 seconds. What I'll then do is, I think I'll put some extra in there, because what I found is, obviously now they're joined up, sometimes this is just as good a way of doing it. Then after that, later on, I'll put the bit that came out on, and I'll show you me doing that. But there you go. It's a bit like watching paint dry, but I'll move that underneath. I'll put that there. I might be able to put that there, a bit of pressure. It doesn't really need it, it says, but okay, so that's holding that there. I'll give it 10 minutes and then I'll come out and finish it. Well, in the end, I've given it about 2 minutes, to be honest. Again, don't have the time to really do that. What I do is I need to try and get that in there. That's sort of going in there. So what I do is, let's put this on top of here. Get it all in there. Then what I'll do with the top, again, obviously once it's in there, what I'll also try and get a bit more on the edge. Let's see. I mean, it's quick drying, but hopefully I've got a bit more time then. Hold that down. What I have done in the past is once it's for things is draw it along the top bit there. I think that's why this might have actually clogged up, because obviously you've got activator there and it will activate the stuff in there. Maybe try and rub that in a bit. Just to make sure I get it in as much as possible in that gap. Say just to so hopefully that's another job done. Maybe a bit of sanding to finish it off, but that is hopefully another job done. As you can see, oops, down here there's a broken chair. That will be another job I do, but I doubt if you want to be seeing all this all day, so bye for now.